Well, back in 1970, I used to live here in Independence for a short while, and I lived in that small little pool house there while I was up here. And my view was the mountains. And since then they've put in this museum. And they've got all these farm implements. We'll be looking at the museum just a bit.
Look at those pretty mountains.
Aren't they pretty?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Did you go swimming in that pool?
No. They put that cover over it. Didn't have a cover when I was there.
There was a cover over it when you lived here?
No, there wasn't.
Did you go swimming in it when you...
No. There's the motorhome.
There's Coco's little head. There's a little movement in there.
Oh yeah.
There's
Coco.
Face.
There's Coco too.
There's a little face.
Look at that. There she is. She's ready to go for a drive.
Yeah, she's looking for us. What are they doing out there? They left me in here and they're out there.
Okay.
Did you take a picture of your house?
Yeah. Beautiful out here.